in the center of the board, they all kind of got a little bit different length and whatnot. So I want them square. The problem is, here's my short one. This and this are my short ones here. And if, regardless of what saw I use, if it's a handsaw or a jigsaw or whatever, if I try to cut right straight down along there, eventually at some point my saw is going to kick out and not want to carry it, because I'm not cutting off very much here, and especially not right here. There's really not enough to make a good saw kerf to hold my saw where it needs to be. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clamp this piece of plywood underneath so that I have some material underneath there to cut a saw kerf in. What do you think? That gotta work. And just like I had hoped, a nice square cut. How about that? Now it was extra work cutting through this and this, but if I play my cards right, I think I can use this one on the other side. Nope, I guess it's not going to work like that. All right, once again for the second time.